Holy cow. Jeez. So the biggest questions I've got, what are the peas looking like? And carrots and collards and all that stuff. What is it looking like? Now, these have plastic over them to kind of trap some, as well as the frost-proof stuff. But this isn't frost. This is deep freeze here. So it looks like it went another inch after I blew it off last night. This birdhouse is underneath this magnolia, and it's still got 5 inches on the top of it. Look at bird bath. There's some evidence that the birds are taking some nutrients away, getting warmed up. Got to clean the snow off so that they can get to it. Be interesting to see if that's gonna make it or not. Usually I get down on my knee and open this up. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Huh. Insane how those peas are still doing their thing. All right, I'm gonna close this up because it is way too cold. This one. Huh. Got the collards spaced out there. Peas are doing okay, it looks like. Of course, I'm just looking at the camera. I'm not looking down through there because I can't get up in there. You see how the snow's up on top? That's crazy. So, looks like they're holding on. I'm gonna close this back up.